Hello everybody and welcome to the contingency plan. My CB radio installation is complete, I think. How'd that get there? So what I did was soldered the two leads on the power, mounted the bracket, ran the cable under, everything all the way back. So we're at the moment of truth. I seriously doubt we're gonna find anybody. Not really in a great area to catch any random CB traffic, and I don't even know what channel is popular. Everything appears to work. Still got some hiding to do as far as tucking this power wire up back in there. But other than that, as far as I can tell, we have a functional CB radio. Oh, hey. I guess you just sit around and wait for somebody to say something. This is exciting video, isn't it? Everybody having a good time yet? I turned the heat on in the car because I was freezing while I was doing this. And now it's like 150 degrees in here. One thing about Jeeps, their heaters work. Their heaters work really, really well. So if anybody's out there watching this, and you have a CB radio, let's talk. Pick a channel. This is exciting. I apologize. This is probably plenty of video, to be honest with you. It appears to work. If there's anything new, I guess, any updates, if I meet any trucker friends, you'll be the first to know. where the people hang out, or even, I mean, it's not 1977 anymore, so maybe people don't even use these. I really don't know. All right, well, thank you, everyone. That was exciting, but what do you think? I mean, aesthetically, is it pleasing? I mean, aside from this, which I'll deal with, but overall, what do you think? Good enough for the girls we go out with. Okay, well, take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace.